Hi, this is Devin from Vive Health. Now here we have a standard size toilet, and here we have an elongated toilet, and installed on each beneath the seat and the lid is our Vive toilet seat riser. Now, the first thing you'll want to do is measure your toilet, and specifically measure the bowl to determine which size of riser is going to be best, is going to fit your toilet the best. Now, we've just got a tape measure here. Now what you'll want to do is measure from the back to the front inside the bowl of the toilet. So as you can see here on the standard toilet, it's going to be from here to here, down inside. And that's going to come to about 12 inches. Now on the elongated, you'll measure in the same spot, again, from the inside edge of the bowl back to front. That's going to measure about 15 inches. So that 3-inch difference is important when sizing out the riser. As you can see, the standard size toilet is more of a rounded shape. The depth in the bowl isn't as deep. You can see that here from the underside of the seat, as opposed to an elongated. Deeper from front to back with more of a pointed shape. The sizes matter when you're selecting the riser that's going to fit, make sure it can secure properly, but regardless of which model ends up fitting best, you're still going to get the same advantages, the same features, the same benefits. Riser is very easy to install, and either model will give you 3.5 inches of added height beneath the toilet seat. Now that 3.5 inches is perfect for anyone recovering from knee, hip, or back surgery, or just anyone who has limited mobility and could use the extra height in the restroom.